The brew group on this Philips HD8827 stays outside the machine, like someone who decided they're not coming back in today. Push it back in and it stops cold. The machine acts like it's lost all sense of direction. No jammed guides, no visible damage. It just doesn't recognize its own brew group anymore. Case number 5, a Philips HD8827 super automatic, the kind of machine that's supposed to just work every morning without a second thought. HD8827 standard super automatic platform. Right now though it doesn't work. The brew group won't seat and there's nothing obviously wrong with it from the outside. Time to open it up and see what's actually going on. Top panel screws first, 2 on each side, easy to miss if you're not looking. Every screw gets tracked. This housing goes back together exactly the way it came apart. Milk frother off the front. And the coffee outlet. 3 screws holding that chrome spout in place. Nothing dramatic here, just methodically clearing every part that's in the way of the brew group drive. A first glimpse of what we're actually after. There it is. The brew group drive, a big gear, a small motor, and somewhere in here, the answer. A closer look confirms it. The drive isn't sitting in its 0 position. The alignment mark on the drive doesn't line up with the mark on the housing. As far as this machine is concerned, the brew group might as well not exist. Sped up here, but this is the real work. Bringing that mark back where it belongs, then rebuilding the drive around it piece by piece. Side covers back on, every cap, every latch, back exactly where it started. Brew group back where it belongs. The same lock that wouldn't seat before clicks home this time. Power on. The self-test runs through every light on the panel. No errors, no warnings. And when the Brew group is finally asked to do its job. It just does it, cup after cup, exactly where it's supposed to be. The HD8827 wasn't broken, it just forgot where home was. One realignment and it remembers. Case 5. Closed. If you want more of these, subscribe, leave a like and tell us in the comments what should land on this bench next.